Hello, Namaste. This is Saudamini studying in 7th standard. I am 12 years old. Today we are going to discuss about letter I in typical individual letters technique 1 in small letters and capital letters in cursive and non-cursive handwriting. How to write letter I and what are the uses of letter I. And before going to today's discussion, I am going to discuss you about with H. In previous class, in last class, letter H. How to write letter H and what are the uses of letter H. You should write letter H always from downwards to upwards, except in non-cursive. In cursive, always you should write the H from downwards to upwards, whereas in non-cursive you should write H from upwards to downwards only. Okay. By writing this H very carefully, you cannot get bad dreams. Some members will be suffered by getting bad dreams. So for bad dreams, this is a wonderful medicine. By practicing H very carefully, for removing bad dreams for your mind and for sleeping for a good night's and sleep. Okay. To see more information and more exclusively on H, if you are suffering from the disease, to see more exclusive and informative on H, see my previous class. Okay. Going to today's topic, letter I. How to write letter I in cursive and non-cursive. First, coming to cursive, small letter I, how to write. See, in cursive, starting as usual we will give one small tail, and from here we should write a slant line till upwards, and from here again we should extend this back and like this, and upper line we should keep a dot, a small dot like this. For your convenience, I put on the I some bigly for seeing you and for understanding for you, but you should not keep I that much big dot. You should keep just a single dot like this, but in this for seeing you and for understanding for you, I put some big dot, but you keep very small dot. Okay. But everything on I, you should keep exactly on I only dot. Some members will keep I letter will be here and dots will be on the air and sky. You should not keep like that. You should not follow like this. I exactly on the top of the I, you should keep the dot and single dot. And coming to cursive letter, capital I. It is very interesting, enthusiastic and artistic full letter. See, starting from here, give a small tail, and from here like this. Yes, a curved forward slant, a curved forward slant, like dolphin. While dolphin jumps, it will have upper part. How it will be like that, we should write it, and from here onwards again we should bring it back and we should join like this. See, if you are seeing, you will get one animal, one sea animal like structure. See, it is looking like only dolphin. This is like a dolphin wing. You should get that eye structure as a dolphin wing and this eye body as a dolphin upper part. See, it must be look same as like a dolphin structure. Okay. This is cursive I. But now non-cursive I, small letter. How to write? One standing line from in middle part, upper line to base line, upwards to downwards, a small line and a dot, and upon that exactly a dot. Now writing I in big. See, capital letter I. From upper zone to middle baseline, in middle part baseline we should draw a straight line, single line, and up one line, down one line, up one line, down one line. Exactly two must be at equal centimeters or inches, or you can write up one small one, up one 1 centimeter, down one 2 centimeters. You can write down one, never you should write small line, down one never you should write small one, because it will be affecting atla raste endante you will be very sensitive. You will sometimes you are in conscious stage, but mentally you will go into subconscious stage, unconscious stage. Without knowing what will happen, you will not recognize what is happening around. You cannot recognize. Sometimes you can go to hypertense stage and you will get anger, and you can go into the subconscious stage. So by writing like this, you can avoid that stage and hypertension and anger. You can control your anger. By anger we will get disease like BP, blood pressure disease we can get. So we can avoid blood pressure disease by writing I like this. I is straight line, and up one can be small or equal, but small one but down one cannot be any time by mistakenly, or you should not write down one small one, up one big one, up one small one or equal, down one big one or equal. పైది పెద్దగా రాయకూడదు, కింద చిన్నగా రాయకూడదు. This is about today's class I. We discussed about today I. So in next class we are going to discuss about letter J. How to write letter J and what are the uses of letter J. If you are interested to see my further classes and lessons, please subscribe us and follow us. Thank you.